Alright everyone, here is a USB-C cord that cable's been frayed out pretty much, and the wires are still connected pretty well. It's just that this part has been ripped to shreds pretty much. So what I'm going to do is attempt to fix it by using this. So I got the heat shrink wire from the Harbor Freight for $3.99. So I'm going to open this up. They did have other colors, but this one gave me a variety pack. Different size, so why not, right? So 5 of them together. It looked like a good deal. I'm going to open this up. Let's take a look. Okay. So, different sizes. I'll just have to find one that'll fit through this, and then cut it enough that it'll shrink and keep this nice and sealed, so I don't have to worry about this cord getting damaged any further. Let me find it. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got the 3/8 inch, which fits this pretty well, and I've cut this about the inch and 7/8. So I'm gonna put this in. I can get it open. Okay. This size fits pretty well for this USB-C. So just push it in. And I'll find a spot that I like. I'll get the heat gun and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the heat gun that I got. And we'll work on the Alright. Shrink that a little bit more. And look at that. It's still hot, so I'll let it cool down, but I'm not gonna have to worry about this because it's still hot. And heat gun that I'm using is the Drill Master from Harbor Freight. Still a little bit loose here in the end, so I'm just gonna try it one more time. And I'll let it cool down because it's gonna be hot. So it's cooled down now, and it's still a little bit loose here, but it's firm, and as long as this part's tight, I'm not too worried about. So looks like it's done its job. Okay, one thing I guess I could have done earlier was to try and wipe this out first, but I'm just using a disinfectant wipe. It's cleaning out the nasty gunk I've built up over the years on this. But it's doing its job. It's cleaning it, making it a little bit cleaner looking, a little bit more whiter, and disinfecting at the same time. Alright, thanks for watching and enjoy.